When I see Xiamen, I was amazed because it was such a beautiful area. And I felt a little bit like I was in south of France. It was a very relaxing city. I always had a dream when I was a kid to become a chef. And I decided it was a good opportunity for me to come to Xiamen and try to realize the dream, to try to make it happen here in Xiamen. Ren in Chinese, the Xing Ren de Ren. What I'm trying to do here is really to build up the trust between the customer and us, but also between us and the suppliers, the vegetable growers, the people that raise the cattle in the farm. And we're really trying to connect everyone and to build a trust. I mostly try to do French food, but sometimes, like with my team, we are coming on some very interesting Chinese ingredients. But as well, I would say, is like try to use this French very traditional dish and cook it in a Chinese way. I think I will try to keep on sharing my passion through food and beverage. And my future, I see it like trying to share more, try to meet more people as well, and try to do as much as well for the local community. What I think the most about Xiamen people, I think it will be like their generosity and their friendship, open arms, very welcoming people, very friendly. I would say like my hometown is Lille in France, but my home is Xiamen now. Like when I say I go back home, it means I'm coming back to Xiamen.